맛있어. 맛있어. What does this word mean? Today, on one Korean word that I hear at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 맛있어. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 270. 맛있어. 맛있어. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mas, second syllable is third syllable is o. Pronounce it with me. 맛있어. 맛있어. Just some more detail about the second syllable, which is is. This time, this is pronounced as is, since it is followed by o, which is a vowel sound. But for the case of 맛있습니다 and 맛있다, the is syllable is followed by consonants. So it is not pronounced as is, but it is pronounced as it. So 맛있습니다, 맛있다. And for the case of 맛있어, it's 맛있어. It's not 맛있어. Again, this word is pronounced as 맛있어. Moving on, the meaning of the word 맛있어 is there is taste or delicious. The meaning of the word mas is taste and 있어 means there is. So 맛있어 means there is taste. Take note that we have already discussed 맛있습니다, and it is also used to say there is taste or delicious. But 맛있어 is an informal way of saying delicious, while 맛있습니다 is a formal way of saying delicious. Again, our word for today is 맛있어, which is an informal way of saying there is taste or delicious. And when we say that something is a formal term, it means we could use it to address people that are older than us or people on the corporate setting. But if it is informal, we could use it to people that are of the same age as us or younger than us. For the last time, 맛있어 is an informal way of saying there is taste or delicious. Now, how do we write 맛있어 in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. The first syllable is mas, which is composed of a miem character followed by an al character followed by a siot character. The second syllable is composed of a placeholder ian followed by the e character followed by the sangsiot or double siot character. The last syllable o is written by drawing first a no sound or a placeholder ian followed by the o character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word 맛있어. And with that, you've just learned 맛있어. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 260 to 269. But don't forget our word for today, word number 270, 맛있어, which means there is taste or delicious in an informal manner. The first word for our review is word number 269, hayo, which means do. Word number 268 is pile, which means see. Word number 267 is 먹어요, which means eat. Word number 266 is 가요, which means go. Word number 265 is 여동생, which means younger sister. Word number 264 is 남동생, which means younger brother. Word number 263 is 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다, which is a formal way of saying delicious. Word number 261 is 먹었어요, which means ate, or the past tense of 먹어요. Word number 260 is 갔어요, which means went, or the past tense of 가요. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.